The Honor 8X features a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus screen, which has a good gaming and entertainment experience. The sleek finish and glass body make the phone look elegant. Choose between 3 color variants: midnight black, navy blue and red. The phone is available in 3 memory variants: 4GB RAM plus 64GB memory, 6GB RAM plus 64GB memory and 6GB RAM plus 128GB memory, which can be expanded up to 400GB using a microSD card in the dedicated slot. The Honor 8X has dual SIM slots, both of which support 4G VoLTE capability. It has a big 6.5-inch capacitive touchscreen with 91% screen-to-body ratio for an immersive viewing experience. The phone has a fingerprint sensor and face unlock for quick unlock. The phone features a 20-megapixel plus 2-megapixel AI dual rear camera with AI multi-scene recognition and AI beauty effect. The 16-megapixel front camera comes with enhanced ISO, 4-in-1 light fusion support and bokeh effect for great selfies. The Honor 8X runs on Android Oreo plus EMUI 8.2 operating system and has an octa-core processor with Mali G51 GPU, which makes it suitable for gaming and multitasking. The phone is powered by a 3750 mAh battery. The handset comes with a charger, user guide, quick start guide, SIM ejector tool and protective case. The phone is made available through various EMI options, net banking or payment through your debit or credit cards.